Hey, good morning, guys. Welcome back to another vlog. I am super exhausted and not feeling the best, so just bring you guys along with me today. What I do today, tomorrow. This will probably be a multi-day vlog, but I'm trying to drink some water because like I said, I do not feel well at all. And I'm gonna clean, and I'm probably gonna go to the doctor, probably. So, but good morning and welcome back to another vlog for all my current subscribers and people who've been here. Love you guys. Good morning, and anyone who's not subscribed, make sure you subscribe and join the family. And we'd love to have you. And I will see you guys in the next clip. So the plan for today is to, like I said, drink some water. I'm gonna do that. Does anybody else drink water like that? I don't know why I squeeze the bottle. I think it's out of frustration, honestly. But it gets it down quicker. So, yeah, I'm gonna try to clean up this fancy house. I already know I'm not even gonna be successful. I don't know why, but for some reason I just can never get the house clean. I can never keep it clean. Let me just do that. I'm just so tired if y'all can't tell. Yeah, I don't know. So yeah, we're gonna just get to cleaning. I might share some of this. It's pretty bad. I ain't even gonna lie. I mean, it's not like, it's just mess, you know, stuff that just could be picked up. Should have been picked up. Eli! Up here! Up here, Stinky! Eli! Up here, Bubba! Eli! Eli! Whee! Eli! Look! Up here, Bubba! Oh, be careful! Aw, Stinky! Feed him and then I'll finish cleaning. Can I say hi? How many nostrils? Are you doing both nostrils? Just one? Okay, good.
You're gonna look forward and then you're gonna look up like you see a spider. Let's stay up. Okay. Just go look up. One here and down. Breathe through it. In and down. Breathe through it. And 1, and 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8, and 9, and 10. Good job.
Oh, fudge. I feel like there's still something in my nose. Don't worry, guys. I got sanitization wipes. Sanitize, whatever. Y'all know what I mean. All right, guys. First, let's talk about this ice cream I got from Amy's. It's called a James Brown. It's got peanut butter, fudge, which I'm not too fond of, but my body is like, I'm not feeling so well, so that's kind of what I'm craving. And peanut butter, fudge, brownie, and I normally add Oreos and strawberries, and I should have added Oreos. Man, it would have just hit it off perfect. But I added strawberries as well. I don't know what my deal is with like chocolate and strawberries and like caramel. That's what caramel and Oreos is what I forgot. I should replace the fudge with the caramel, but anyway, so I added strawberries. It's really, really good. It's sweet, but it's making me feel good. Of course, it's junk food, but my energy feels so low. So I'm not. Is it yummy? Drink it. Get water. You don't want mommy to help you? Uh-oh, there you go. Good morning, guys. It's Monday morning, and I'm on my way to get a coffee. What's up, guys? It's been a few days. I can't remember the last time I vlogged. I think it was like Friday, which you guys, I feel like there's something wrong with these lashes. Like, I feel like this one has more lash. I don't know, but whatever. Friday was the last time I think, I can't do this. What is wrong with that lash? What is it? What is it? What is it? I know y'all see that. Is it just me? It feels like this has more lash to it. See, I want to sell lashes on my website, but I gotta find some that match. What in God's name is going on? Okay, but they look like they match. Like when I look right here, maybe it's the angle. Maybe it's the angle. I don't know. Anywho, I just left the house because you know what? Mama need a break. Like, I am so tired, honey. I do not get no sleep. My son got up at 3 o'clock this morning, which I need to be up at 3 doing my devotion and stuff. But honey, this kid did not go back to sleep. I had to just throw him in the bed. I didn't really throw him, but you know what I mean. I put his butt in the bed. I went downstairs. Because then he was crawling around. I was just trying to sleep, holding him so he wouldn't fall and roll off the couch or nothing crazy like that. But honey, he started screaming. I was like, okay, let me go make you a bottle. And so I did that. This little boy, which this isn't anything out of the norm for him. He always throws his bottle. I don't know why. I think he's just tired of drinking the bottle. Anyway, he threw it. And so I'm like, okay, kid. And I was like, you know what? I can do this. You're gonna go to sleep because you can't wake up at 3 o'clock in the morning and then not go back to sleep. That's not how this is gonna work. But that's what he does. He'll wake up and will not go back to sleep. And guess who's up with him? Me. So, why? Lash, why can't you just let me be great? Anyway, so I put his bottle back in the refrigerator. because we're gonna warm it later. And I just put his butt in the bed. I'm like, you're gonna go to sleep. And he tried to cry or whatever, but yeah. And then my husband called me. He was like, I went to like the community park and did like a TikTok. And then he called me. He was like, Eli's up. I gotta go to work. I'm like, okay, well, I'll be back. I went to go get a coffee. I don't know what you want to say. I'm on my way, you know. So he'll be all right, man. Because you know what, like moms do, like, oh my god, moms are just like, we just do everything, like go without sleep, nothing. And it's crazy because I don't know. I literally do not get any sleep. Like last night, so late at night is when I try to do like any of my stuff. Let me stop swearing. First of all, I'm like, put my seatbelt on. At night, so I get off of work at 8 o'clock, 8:30. So when I get off work at 8:30, I'm like, okay, do I work on YouTube? I need to work on the business, do some posts, because I try to do that throughout the day or whatever. Like the other night, I had to like make lip gloss. I had to make it, put it in tubes, put labels on it, and then put it on the website. I tried to do all that in one night. So I did that, the few that I was gonna do. And last night I was so tired, and I don't even know what I did. Eventually I ended up getting into bed with all my stuff. I'm like, okay, I'm gonna do this. But then I just ended up like on TikTok looking at this video that apparently was on the For You page, and so I was like kind of excited. But yeah, anyway, so I was watching that, and so I was doing some stuff on Canva. If you own a business or just do anything creative, Canva's where it's at. By the way, they've charged me for an account that I don't use, but anyway, that's another story. So I did that, but I really didn't do anything else. And so then I went to sleep. He woke up, I went to sleep like 12. He woke up at 3, and then he was up until like